Hi guys, on this video, YouTube, we're working, my father and we're working on this 2008 Kia Sportage. Uh, we've been having issues with it wouldn't start. Lights were flickering at one point all on the dashboard. It wouldn't even turn over. Watched some videos and some of the guys on the video said, check the battery, clean the post, check the relays. Oh, by the way, on this 2008 Kia Sportage, you'll find the starter as we took it off, my dad and we checked it, and it's just fine, but it will be located just underneath the engine in the front, underneath. We got meters to check to see if we had any continuity. We also checked to see if there was power to the starter. Used a code reader, connected. The only codes we got out of it was a 78 and an E9, something with the engine and transmission. As I was reading the code, I came across this one wire right here. It's weird. When the battery died at one point, I guess it just tripped. It's like a trip wire. Wouldn't start, wouldn't crank over, nothing. But I pushed it, and all of a sudden now, flickering stopped. Engine turns over now, as you could hear. I don't know what the hell that is, but kind of like reset the whole system for some reason. Well, that's what I got for the Kia Sportage. Happy New Year's. Peace.